You are fine, guys. So, today we are going to learn about the picture description. For this, we need to know about the learning outcomes of picture description. First of all, to enhance observational skills, write several sentences on given topic after looking at the picture related to it. So, these are the outcomes that we need to know. Next, there are some rules that we need to follow while writing picture description. So they are carefully observe the picture, write meaningful sentences, use given word bank, write a title based on the main theme of the picture, start every sentence with the capital letter, use full stop at the end of the sentence. So these are the rules that you must have to keep it in your mind while writing the description. So here we go. We had a picture here. Wow, that's a beautiful picture. Now first we need to discuss that about the title. So you can give the title like it's a picture of a garden. It can be a picture of a park or the school playground. So you can see many things in this picture, like there are so many kids, there are green trees, there are some flower here and there. Now here we have a word bank of nouns. Do you see the children in that picture? So there are children, there are girls, boys, a ball, there is a tree, there are many colorful flowers. There is a doll as well. There is a yummy ice cream. There is a little toy car. There is there are huge buildings. There are green bushes. So there are so many things that you can see in that picture. So these are the nouns that you can see. Okay, next are word bank for adjectives. For adjectives, first of all, we need to know what are adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. So here we go. Can you see any colorful thing in that picture? You must have to think about it. Colorful trees? No. Yes, there are colorful flowers in this picture. Okay, what is huge in this picture? Huge trees? No. Huge buildings? Yes. Good job. But you have seen small in that picture? Can you see something tall in that picture? Anything that is green? Anything that is yummy? Hmm. You must have to think about it. And uh, you must have to tell me that who is pretty and naughty in that picture as well. Now we have verbs here. First of all, we need to know what are verbs. A word that tells what someone or something does. So here we go. We have some verbs here. Playing. As you know well that there are some kids in this picture who are playing. Eating. Who is eating what? You know very well. Yummy ice cream. Holding. Who is holding? The two boys are holding a toy car. Two kids are running. Girls are talking. So, like this, you have to make the sentence easily. You have to suggest the title at the playground or the park or at the park. So, these are the titles you can think. Here I am going to show you guys that how can we form a sentence by using word bank. For example, first we have to talk about the picture, that this picture is about what. For this, we can write it is a picture of a park. In next sentence, you can start with I can see. Like I can see many children playing in the park. Here, we took children and playing from the given word bank. Next, two pretty girls are playing with a doll. Here, pretty girls playing doll has been taken from the word bank. in this way, you can form a sentence by using word bank. You can start your sentences by using I can see, there are, or there is. And don't forget to give one finger space while writing a sentence. Now there is a sample that I have solved for you. So it is a picture of a park. I can see many children playing in the park. The two pretty girls are playing with the doll. The naughty boys are holding a car. There are many colorful flowers here and there. There are many huge buildings at the back. There are many tall trees and green bushes in the ground. I also like to play in the park. So, this is the sample for you that I solved, and you have to get help from it. So, the steps to follow: first of all, we observe carefully, suggest title, ask question about the picture, use word bank, start sentence with a capital letter, end the sentence using full stop. Now, here is an activity for you guys. I have given you a word bank and the picture, and you have to solve it and post me. So, is it interesting? So, I hope you enjoyed a lot and send me the feedback. So, don't forget to stay safe.